Definitely like 50 pounds or something. Well, it was a chicken rotisserie, but I didn't bring the other part to it. The fish might still get away. The memories. Those are others. Nobody watches my videos for fishing. I'm putting you on a shirt. Look. Yeah, mommy's gonna come. We're going to mommy's house. Mommy's house. Mommy's house is our house, by the way. So people are gonna think I'm like a baby daddy or something.
Sam Lovin from New Mexico. Alternatively known.
It's tall.
Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you guys like those series of night clips and drone shots. It was my first time doing that. Obviously, it can be kind of difficult with lighting to even attempt to get those shots. And I did crash my drone. It just ran into a branch and just fell on the ground. Thankfully, nothing happened to it. But yeah, this is also my first time solo camping, and it helped that I had new lighting accessories around camp, and also it was nice enough so no rain or overly windy to have the projector out, which was nice because I was watching some of my old videos I posted as well with the movie last night, and it was just nice, super peaceful, just to be out here on my own and have the fire crackling. So it is the morning. We're gonna start with some tea. I usually carry this like box of Stephen Smith tea maker from Portland, and it's pretty much done, but I need a re-up on this. I really only have a couple in here. There's a few in here that are not Stephen Smith's tea maker, but I'm probably gonna have one of these today. Either the Spring Greens organic green tea or the Fez full leaf green tea. I've had this one before, so I'm probably gonna go with this one. So guys, check this out. There's mushrooms growing everywhere here. I wish I was better at identifying these. If anybody knows, list them in the comments. But it's definitely a goal of mine to kind of start learning the species of what I'm seeing here in Oregon. Yeah, these are awesome. I haven't seen much on the ground. I walked around earlier this morning, as you saw, and I was looking for mushrooms and on the tree trunks and behind stuff, and nothing. Also, all this down here kind of looks like it's a trail that takes you down, but it's really not. I don't know, it just all looks like a trail. Look at this. Like you could just follow all this, like over here. You can just weave through all this and it takes you kind of somewhere. Oh, here's some mushrooms on the ground. Oh shit. So I really want some of this tea later, so brought a thermo. A flock of birds just pulled up on me. They literally were sitting on my table right there and on my chair, and they just left. I really thought I was gonna get them all to like go right here. There's like 5 of them. They probably saw like food or something. Honestly, I was worried. They were kind of flying really close to me. Nature.